speaking. I'm really excited about this opportunity to talk to you, particularly because this week or last week I got some really good news from the State Department. We were selected to do a diplomacy lab, and the.
That's not we, that's as a
Okay, sorry. Okay, I was selected to do a diplomacy lab, which is this great initiative which partners faculty, so myself, with the State Department and a research team of students through a class working on real-world problems. And the purpose of it, I guess from the State Department's perspective, is to get free labor. But from our perspective, in terms of our students, it's an exciting opportunity for them to be able to, A, work on real-world issues, B, make contacts in terms of jobs, and to sort of bridge the theory that we're talking about in class with real-world issues, and so to mix practice with policy and theory and have all those things come together. Students are able to interact with State Department's officials throughout the semester. The particular project that I'm going to be working on with them next spring is on international criminal law violations in Africa. There have been a number of hybrid courts that have been created from countries as diverse as Sierra Leone and Senegal. And there have also been proposed courts in South Sudan and the Central African Republic and the like. The U.S. has been most involved in the creation of the Special Court for Sierra Leone. And so what the State Department wants is to get a sense of case studies of these different experiences, what have been the challenges, what have been the successes, and the students are going to be working on each of these different case studies and then presenting their research to the State Department. And so I'm really excited about this initiative. I think it'll be a great opportunity for our students, and I'm hoping that this will be the first of many diplomacy labs that we're doing. It's a fairly competitive process, so I'm excited that we're able to take advantage of this for our students. So that's the one I'm most excited about. I can also talk about my scholarship. I am excited about that as well, but it seems somewhat less exciting given recent developments. But I write in international law and international criminal law, and so most of my research is focused on international criminal justice, transitional justice. I most recently published a piece in the International Journal for Transitional Justice on a proposed regional court in Africa. I also have a piece that's come out this year in the Columbia Journal of Transitional Justice talking about the influence of regionalism on international criminal law. And then I have a work in progress that's looking at international responsibility for infectious diseases, one looking at Ebola, and the companion piece looking at Zika. And so that's my area of interest in terms of the works in progress that I'm doing. I've been to a number of different conferences this year. Actually, I'm going to Toronto this weekend for a talk at Osgood Law School. They invited me back. I was there earlier this year to talk about international law. I was at Duke Law School earlier this year for a Women in International Law conference, and then have been involved in an African court research initiative, and so was in Tanzania over the summer, and at Iowa College of Law over the summer as well. So I travel quite a bit, and what I'm really excited about, though, is being able to sort of match my research interests with students and getting them more engaged in the area of practice that I'm interested in.